The chapter of Lycaon begins with the supreme god Jupiter, who has just called upon a general assembly for all the gods. In the cloudless skies, there is a path known for its brilliant whiteness. Men call this line Milky Way. This is the road which the gods must take to the almighty Thunderer's royal palace. As soon as all the gods are settled down to their seats, Jupiter proposes that now he will commit the whole race of mankind to destruction. The supreme god says he is forced to do it because of the infamous king Lycaon, the king of Arcadia. Jupiter says that he once made his descent from the heights of Olympus mountain and wandered over the earth as a disguised mortal. He entered the palace of King Lycaon and gave a sign that a god has just arrived. As a result, the people soon turned to their prayers, but King Lycaon started mocking them. He says he will settle if this person is god or mortal. Then Lycaon just applied his sword to the throat of one of the hostages and roasted his flesh, eventually set this repast on the table for Jupiter. At once Jupiter got furious and his lightning of vengeance struck. Lycaon's palace collapsed. Out of fear, Lycaon tried to flee, but Jupiter transformed him into a wolf. So, this was the cause behind Jupiter's decision to destroy the human race. He proposed his proposition and the gods clapped in approval. But some of them still murmured that the loss of human race will be widely deployed. They were worried about the fact that from now on, who will bring offerings to their altars? Jupiter promised to take care of the matter. He said he will breed a new race of miraculous birth, unlike the people before it. Lycaon's chapter ends here.